Today it's time for car meet, and I've just cleaned the car, even though the bonnet is never gonna be clean. So I've been washing it. Yeah, you've seen the sticker. I got some new stickers. This one, Milf Crew. It's from Ukraine. This is car club in Ukraine. Recently got them, and they have this Wonderbound stickers from, I guess, specific car meets they have had, which was 2 years ago. I went to Ukraine last year. No, this is not. It's not this one. It must be the year after. Maybe they haven't made any. Last year I was in Ukraine for 10 days. I sent a message to a few people. I started to search for people, car people in Ukraine. That's how I came across this group. I found some Golf Mk1 Ukraine. And some of these were tagged in some of their pictures. Before I went to Ukraine, I sent, I sent this one guy, I think it's the one who started it. I sent him a message asking, by any chance, do you know if there's gonna be any car meets or something in this and this place? Because this is the only two places I'm going in Ukraine. And he said, no, not there, because I was going in Zakarpattia and Dnipro. But he was gonna make a car meet around that time in Kiev. So if I had been in Kiev, I could have joined them, but unfortunately I couldn't. I was not there in Kiev at that time. Milf Crew, and it took me time to realize the name, to kind of get the name, not a joke, but because first I thought it was okay, it's just kind of cool bits, like not provocative maybe, but yeah, you know, that type of name. But then I realized it took me a few weeks, and I was just thinking, and I was like, of course, it's like the car in the club needs to be of a certain age to be able to join. That's why you see old Bug, old Golf, what is there? It's an old Jeep, maybe it's a Porsche 944 modified. So I got this on the car, and I got this one. So if you're watching this, Roman, thank you, Roman. Touge, дякую for the stickers. And let's go to the car meet. So, as I thought to myself, I did not film that much as I was hoping for at the meet. It's a big meet. It's for Bergen. This is a big meet. It was, I guess it was, I don't know, if I was gonna guess, 200 or 300 cars. It was very nice, a lot of nice people to talk to. It was why I didn't film that much, because I think I didn't even see all the cars at the meet. Now we are here, right? Because there comes some noises Well, there comes a lot of noise. All the noises actually comes all the time when I'm driving. But now, when I was driving to the workshop, because I sold some VR6 parts, actually a VR6 R32 engine just today, I heard some noises coming from the front, and I know have some issues with the calipers. So these calipers are G60, and the bracket is also G60, and this is G60. Actually, this is also G60, so everything here is marked to G60. So this bracket, the caliper bracket, is touching the disc on the rear. And this happened to me, I think on the other side, sometime last year. And so I'm just gonna take everything off, clean it, and put it back on so it does not rub, and it should be good to go. So yeah. really need to get better at filming while driving. You know, not that I'm gonna hold the camera. I need to find some setup to actually be able to kind of show how it is to drive this car or another car for that matter. So I need to find a way. I know there you can get a lot of cool footage with these 360 cameras, but I don't have a 360 camera. Maybe, hopefully in the future. But till then, I want to drive this car more, and then I would like to kind of show you the experience of this, because there is not that many videos of Mk1 all-wheel drive. You have that one by Booba Motoring, but and that's a crazy one. But other than that, it's not that much.